Good morning, Internet. Adam Bate here from B2Net Solutions. Just doing a quick demo video this morning on understanding bandwidth usage and disk space usage statistics within Plesk 10. Plesk 10, sort of over Plesk 9, introduced a new interface for usage statistics. So we're just going to take a quick look at that, what you should know and what you should understand about your usage in your hosting plan. So let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is log into Plesk. And once you log in, you'll see your dashboard there. First thing you want to do is click on More underneath Statistics on Resource Usage. Now, for demo purposes, this website obviously doesn't get much traffic or use much storage, but you'll get a good understanding. Sort of displayed right in front of you is your disk space used and your data transfer this month used, which is also referred to as your bandwidth used. So the great thing about this is you're able to quickly see what is using your disk space and what has been using your bandwidth. So right now you can see the web. I have 22.1 megs on the web. I have 60 kilobytes on mail. Databases, I have 772 kilobytes, and other, I have 780 kilobytes. Now, other could be files outside of your web folder, sort of in your private folder and things like that. This is important to recognize because what a lot of people don't realize is that their mail quota is included in their total hosting plan sort of usage quota. So if you have a 2 gigabyte storage account and you have a mail account that is receiving and sending large files, and maybe it's taking up a gigabyte of storage, and all of a sudden you receive an overusage email, and you check your website and no, it's only using a gig and a half. But you fail to sort of realize that mail is included in that as well. And so if you come into your statistics here to see your disk space, your hard drive usage, you'll be able to see sort of where and what is taking up all of that space. So if you identify that mail is the issue, you can go in, delete some of those emails with the large attachments, or clear out your inbox, perhaps switch over to POP instead of IMAP if you've been leaving messages on the server. There are a lot of things you can do to sort of free up space. The same goes for data transfer or bandwidth. Perhaps you're not using a whole lot of bandwidth over HTTP. Maybe your website isn't getting a whole lot of traffic, but if you're receiving an overusage email, perhaps it could be a lot of email sending. If you're sending those large attachments daily through the workplace, or maybe you're uploading FTP documents for clients or potential clients, that can eat up a lot of the transfer as well. So make sure before opening a support ticket, you come in here and you really check out the statistics and the data on the resource usage, so you have a better understanding of what you're using and where you're using it. And I'm going to leave it that simple. That's all there really is to it. This interface, this page, is really all you need to know to get a breakdown of what's going on in your resources. If you have any questions on it, feel free to open a support ticket. The link below in this post will link you right there, or you can connect with us on Twitter to ask us any questions. And we hope you have a great day.